All right, new for small vertical engines this year is a 140cc mow and stow option. This goes alongside of the 150cc and 163cc versions that are offered currently. Now this just provides another cost-reduced version for OEMs that want to take on this technology. Now this engine is unique. You simply just can't flip it on its side and have it work correctly. So there are several design features that we incorporate to make this work. Starting with the fuel system, it has a unique carburetor with a snorkel for a bowl vent so that when it's tilted upright, we allow the vent to work properly and we don't cause a leak path. Same thing with the gas tank. It is uniquely baffled so that when it's tipped, the fuel is level inside of it, and then our fill cap is always at the top, again reducing the chance for leaks. As we dive further into the engine on differences, it starts with the sump gasket. The sump gasket is special here where it has a silicone bead around the whole outside diameter of it that prevents a leak pathway through our paper gasket. Normally that paper gasket isn't submerged in oil all the time, so when it's tilted like this, there is the chance it could leak. The silicone prevents that leak path. Our dipstick O-rings, they are double O-ringed as well to keep oil from leaking, and there is a governor shaft seal at the back of the engine to keep oil from weeping out of the governor shaft. Most of these small verticals do not have a governor shaft seal. You don't see it until you get up into our larger V-twins. So this is just a brief overview of what makes this engine unique. From the outside, you can't really tell if it's a mow and stow unless you have a keen eye to the fuel tank. But OEM options will include a decorative shroud, color option, or design option change, as well as decals. And the air cleaner cover would be the only other component that would physically change from one OEM to the next.